Hello and welcome. I am your English fluency coach. Today, we are going to practice workplace English in a calm and relaxed way. Specifically, we will talk about daily tasks. To help you remember these phrases, we are using the double loop method. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. I need to check the agenda.
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 I am updating the team calendar.
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 Please print a copy for me.
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 I am sorting through these files.
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 Let's review the project goals.
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 I have to call the vendor.
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 She is booking the conference room.
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 I am writing the weekly summary.
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 Did you receive my invite?
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 I am analyzing the sales data.
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 We must fix this error quickly.
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 I am preparing the slide deck.
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 Let's submit the expense report.
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 I am organizing my desk today.
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 The system is updating right now.
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 Excellent work. You have just practiced 15 essential phrases for talking about daily work tasks. Repeat this video tomorrow to keep your skills sharp. Have a wonderful day at work.